Hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back and watching another video with me. I'm going to do a flip through of this Ultimate Guide to Outlander that Wanda Ford sent me in our swap where she returned my Easter journal to me. If you haven't seen the creation videos and the flip through of that, there is a playlist that you can watch that. Outlander. This is one of those shows that becomes part of you. At least it did for me. I just absolutely love time travel. Absolutely love the Scottish accent and the English accent too, because Catriona Balfe has an English accent, and she's the one that goes back in time in the movie or in the show. And we're eagerly awaiting the next season, so I can't wait to dig into this book. And I don't know where Wanda found it. There's no thrift store label on it, but it is from 2019. So maybe Wanda's just a fan as well and has had this for a while in her stash. But I'm just going to flip through it for the first time. I have not seen, I didn't go ahead and look, so I want to see what all is in here that I could use to make a series of Outlander ATCs or to make a book. So there is Claire. There's all the guys in their kilts. So there's a bunch of good looking guys in this. Of course, Jamie Fraser is the main one. And there's lots of these kinds of scenes in the series. Surprisingly graphic, but very romantic in many ways. And there's her wedding dress. Nice. The book covers, that's awesome. Little miniature book covers. Use those. And then this looks like it's in America. Yeah, this is the medicine woman that she meets. And Jamie's aunt, Jocasta. And Ian and his wolf, Rollo. And the Scottish festival that the young ones go to. Oh, it tells you which season it is. Behind the scenes stuff. Look at the rabbit ears behind his head. Oh, I just love this. I see it on the newsstand from time to time, but it's usually quite costly. Like this one was $16.99 in 2019. So I don't pick them up, but oh, I'm so thrilled to have this one. Do you have no idea? Well, maybe you do. Them all looking all modern. It's a different way to see them. Oh, look at these drawings of their costumes. That's really cool. Brianna. I can't wait to read it too. Some great pictures in here. Get my ATC checker out and check some of these little pictures. Like that's a good one on the battlefield. Actually, that's a good one too, with her hand on his chest. And that's when she first went through the stones. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's highly recommended. It's very romantic. It's a little bit brutal in some spots, but it is an alternate world that you can just get lost in. And a little bit of actual history too, because they meet people that you would never think of. Like Claire meets George Washington in one of the scenes, and she meets Benedict Arnold in another scene. So it's just really a cool tie-in to real life. You know it's not real life, but That's an awesome picture there too. Oh, I don't even remember that dress. It's gorgeous. Oh, steamy. Oh, these are cool, these little tiny pictures. The bigger ones are going to be harder to figure out how to use them unless you just crop it, you know. That one could be cropped and used this way, even. I just love the scenery, some of the old, I think this was in Versailles. So look at all the books. I mean, it's just like all of us junk journal people probably wish we had all these bookshelves so we could just keep all the papers and all the books. Murta, he's awesome too. Attractive in his own way. You say there's some fighting and there's some killing and it can get rough, but it's all stuff that, I mean, stuff with Claire and Jamie didn't necessarily happen, but they're depicting real events in history. So it's pretty cool that way. What do they call this here? Gosford House. Oh, it's Hellwater. Yeah, beautiful. I just love old buildings like that. And the stones. Lallybrock. Galus. Leary. Actually go into, I don't know if it was Jamaica. Where were they? Yeah, Jamaica. And they see this slave being tortured and they buy him to save him. And then Claire realizes that now her name is on a papers that say she owns a slave. And someone in the future might find that. She's mortified. Lots of battle scenes. This is a lady who befriends Claire in Paris, I think it was. Yeah, it was in Paris. Just beautiful dresses. Just absolutely beautiful. You can tell they must have been fairly well off. That's gorgeous. So Wanda, thank you so much. I'm going to have to just read this and enjoy it for a while, but yes, eventually Outlander journal for sure. There's some great pictures in here. So thank you so much. And I hope that some of you who aren't into Outlander will give it a shot because it is really an awesome show. I think it's the 8th season that we're waiting for right now. And I'm about on book number 6 or 7 right now, reading it. I just love it, love it, love it. I watch it over and over again. I used to watch Twilight over and over again, and I've read it about 13 times. So this is my first time through the Outlander books, but I'll go back and read it again, I'm sure. I love it that much. So thank you, Wanda. And to everyone else, like, comment, share, and subscribe. But most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.